Hello friends, how are you today? Good? Are you ready to keep on learning our reading and writing session? Yeah, because when we start going to school, when we are kids, we learn a lot of cool stuff, right? Interesting and new things and fun things. We meet our classmates, we make best friends, right? And there are so many cool books and stories. And at some point, we start learning how to read so we can read their stories ourselves, right? The cool part as well comes when we start learning how to write. Imagine how many cool things you can write. You can write stories, you can write a diary, you can write a note, a letter, right? So, one of the ways that we can learn how to read and write is by blending the sounds, like putting the sounds together, remember? So that's what we're going to keep on doing today. We're going to keep on blending sounds to make new words. It's like magic. So let's read and write. Let's blend the sounds. So before we start blending the sounds, we have to review some letters of the alphabet and their sounds so we can start putting them together. Very important here in these classes is that you listen carefully. Then maybe you get a paper and a pen to take notes of the words we're going to put together and to repeat after me the sounds you're hearing and the words you're hearing. This way, you're going to learn better, faster, and you're going to be practicing your pronunciation. Okay? So if you hear me saying a word that you don't know, you repeat that word. And then you listen to yourself saying that word, and then your brain will memorize it that quickly and more effective. And you also repeat, please, after me, all the sounds I say. Okay? So let's do it. Let's start with these two pictures. They have the same sound, but their symbols are different. So I'll say that this is a cat and a kite. Cat, kite. Can you repeat that sound? K, k. Very good. K for cat and k for kite. And those are the two letters you use for each sound. K for cat is C and k for kite, it's K. Okay? So there are many other words that start with that sound, that begins with that sound. Like kiwi and king and car and cap. Okay? So king and kiwi start with the same letter as kite, and car and cap the same letter as cat. K, k. The sound is the same. Sometimes you even use them together in a word. And what is that? Do you remember? It's an elephant. Elephant. Can you say elephant? Good job. Elephant. Look at the sound. Not elephant. Elephant. And that's how you write the sound. Elephant. And there are many other words that start with that sound, like envelope, elf, or egg. Elf, envelope, or egg. Good job, you're repeating. That's how we learn faster, better, and practice our pronunciation. Now, what is that? Do you know that we put it in our heads? That is a hat. Hat. And that's how you write hat. Oh, look at that. If you put your hand in front of your mouth, when you say, you're going to feel an air coming into your hand. That's how you say the sound for H. That's the letter H. And there are many other words that start with that sound, like helicopter, hippo, or house. Helicopter, hippo, or house. Good. Okay, you know that one. This is a dog. Dog. right? D, d, d. Repeat the sound. D, d, d. Very good. And that's how you write that sound. D, d, d. And like the others, there are many more words that start with that sound, like donut, duck, or doctor. Donut, duck, or doctor, or dog. D, d, d. Very good. So we've seen some sounds so far. Then we can start blending them to make words. But I guess there's more sounds to check. What is that? We put in our face like this. This one is like a party, but we can use one to disguise. This is a mask. Mask. Look at the sound when we say mask. That's how we do with our mouths. And that's how you write the letter M to sound And there are many other words that start with that sound that we use that letter to start to make that sound. Like moon, like monkey, and like mouth. Moon, monkey, mouth, and mask. There are many others, and if you know, you can even say it. Very good. Oh, what is that? This is a robot. Robot. That's the sound. You know when a dog is playing with a rag in his mouth and go Yes? So is the sound. Pretend you're a dog playing with the rag and go You roll your tongue inside your mouth. Robot. And that's the letter you use to make that sound. Robot. Good job. So, there are many other words that start with that sound, like rainbow, or rocket, or rabbit. Rainbow, rocket, rabbit, robot, and many others. Very good. Now let's review the sounds we've learned so far today. K, k, k. You repeat. Very good. That's how you write it. E, e, e. Good. H, h, h. Good. D, d, d. For dog. For mask. And the last one was, how do you say that one? For robot. Very good. Now maybe if we mix some of these sounds, we get a word. But we also can mix these sounds with the first group of sounds that we've seen before. Do you remember them? Let's take a look of the other sounds we've learned so far. Remember? Not elephant. Apple. You see my mouth goes down, my chin drops. Apple, not elephant. Apple. Okay? P. Remember that was a top. T, t, t. E. And what is it? A nest. So I have S, A, P, T, E, plus the ones we've seen today,